Hello everybody, this is a high pressure sodium street light that is located in Sea Isle City. It's on 71st Street. I hope to catch it turning on. There it goes, firing up right now. I don't think it will take too long to come on. I don't know what model this is, but when it was installed, but it comes on pretty quickly. Many of the other streetlights in this area have already come on and reached full brightness.
It's like two seconds. Like 2 seconds you have to wait. I know, it's so weird.
Alright, I'm sure this street light is at full brightness now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.